Okay, because of me, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little 5-minute makeup when I'm late, which is always. We're gonna start off here with some BB cream. Yes, I left my makeup in my car, which is also why I'm late, because I spent so much time looking for it. Okay, just go there. Why not? Beautiful. So, we're just gonna aggressively and viciously rub that in like you're angry or late. Rub it in like your mom will when she tells you that she knew you'd be late. I'm so sorry, Mom. Do this little, I'm gonna use less than usual because I'm late and don't have time to perfect that crap. Pray to the makeup lords. I'm like so late. What time is it? I have like 2 minutes before I have to leave. Okay, it looks like we're all covered. Next we're gonna do, where's the brush? So we're going with the eyes. We're gonna go with a little bit of a light powder here. Go a little bit of pink. Not even paying attention. I'm so late. I don't know if I like that color. It's fine, it's peachy, like the situation I'm in right now. Peachy and fine. So then we're gonna do something dangerous here. Oh, I don't trust this. Ah! Oh, I can't see if there's a glare. Oh. Duh. I'm stupid. Because I know there's contour crap still left on here. We're just gonna. Ah! That's way too much! Oh no, that's not a soft glow. We're just going with it, guys. Got like 1 minute left. Where is it? Okay. We're just gonna. Oh no, it's going everywhere! It's a tragedy. Alright, we're just gonna go. Ugh. Oh no, I don't have eyebrows still! Oh no! Oh, those bad boys are patchy! Ugh. Okay, so I made it here, 10 minutes late, but you know what they say, Mom? A queen is never late. Everyone else is simply early. So, thank you. Have a fab day.